This is my brother-in-law's house, and this is his road. As you can see, it's pretty much just a path. Let's climb over this big snowbank and see how my brother-in-law is doing. Say hello, brother-in-law.
I hate fucking snow.
Welcome to PEI in February. It's just a path. Just a path. Let's go. Oh, there's a car coming. I don't know if I'm going to die or what. Let's go this way. As you can see, there's not much of a road. Well, the side roads are screwed, but this road's not too bad. This is my street. This isn't too bad here. A lot of freaking snow, though. A lot of snow. Anyway, that concludes our little adventures.